The grass bag catches the grass clippings from your lawnmower so you can conveniently dispose of them. The bag is made of a nylon fabric and attaches over a steel frame. Over time, the bag will wear out and tear due to stress at the corners, rubbing against fences or walls, or if something snags it. Replacing the bag is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bag from the lawnmower. Now I can remove the bag from the bag frame. The bag just simply clips onto the frame. Now I can install the new bag. I'll unfold the bag and slide the frame inside of it. Make sure that I get the handle on the outside of the bag. The clips all slide underneath the frame. I'll start at the top of the bag and begin attaching the clips. I'll just work my way around the bag. And that's all it takes. Now I can install the bag back onto the mower. And that's all it takes to install a new grass bag on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.